Revolutionary War soldier, 1775 to 1783. These citizen soldiers dressed in simple blue or brown coats, wearing tricorn hats and breeches. They carried flintlock muskets and faced the challenges of fighting for independence with a lack of standardization. Civil War soldier, 1861 to 1865 split between blue Union and gray Confederate uniforms. These soldiers started to form more organized regiments. Rifled muskets and sabers were prominent, with trench warfare emerging during this time. World War I soldier, 1917 to 1918, introducing olive drab, uniforms and Brody helmets. These soldiers faced trench warfare and chemical threats. The U.S. Army began its path to professionalization and modern logistics. World War II soldier, 1941 to 1945, wearing field jackets and M1 steel helmets. The GI became synonymous with national service. Their roles expanded to massive global engagements, including amphibious assaults and armored divisions. Cold War/Korean and Vietnam Wars, 1950s. 1970s, transitioning to fatigues and camouflage BDUs. Soldiers adapted to guerrilla warfare in tropical jungles. Air mobility and psychological operations define this era. Gulf War to early 2000s. Uniforms evolved to desert camo, and soldiers relied on updated rifles like the M16 and M4 carbines. Technology-heavy warfare became the focus, with smart bombs and satellite-guided operations. Modern American soldier, 2020s. Present equipped with OCP uniforms and advanced gear, today's soldiers are networked for real-time communication. Their roles encompass special operations and cyber warfare, highlighting the integration of AI and drones. Summary: from flintlocks to AI-assisted warfare, American soldiers have transformed into technologically advanced forces. This evolution reflects changes in weapons, uniforms, and military strategy, adapting continuously to global shifts.